Counting. Mock poll not erased. Mock poll VVPAT paper slips not removed. Disclaimer. This training material is for use in training of election officials. It should not be referred as guideline of ECI. In case of any variance in this training material, the Commission guidelines, rules, laws shall prevail. Learning outcomes. At the end of the session, the participants will be able to know about the steps to be followed at the time of counting. If after the mock poll, CRC is not done by the presiding officer, that is, neither mock poll is erased nor the mock poll VVPAT paper slips removed. Before the start of the actual poll, mock poll is to be done by the presiding officer. After the mock poll and showing the result of the control unit to the agents, it is the duty of the presiding officer to remove or delete all mock poll votes from the control unit and also to take out the VVPAT paper slips from the drop box. For removing the mock poll votes from the control unit, CRC is to be done by the presiding officer. After this, control unit and VVPAT drop box shall be sealed. On the poll day, P+1 scrutiny day or the counting day, if we came to know that neither the mock poll is erased nor VVPAT paper slips taken out, then during counting, the concerned control units will be set aside. These polling stations will not be counted in the normal round-wise counting. Reasons for this may be CRC protocol not done correctly after the mock poll, VVPAT paper slips not removed after the mock poll, human error in recording total votes in the EVM. The returning officer or the assistant returning officer will explain the exact details and the reasons to the candidates or their agents in the counting hall. The table for such polling stations will be kept vacant in that round of counting. A list of all such polling stations will be given to the contesting candidates before counting starts. Now the VVPAT paper slips or that polling station will be counted. Candidate-wise mock poll votes from the mock poll certificate will be deducted. Correct candidate-wise votes count will then be calculated. If correct candidate-wise vote count cannot be determined, then the matter will be referred to the Commission for further directions. Candidate-wise votes from the VVPAT slips of each polling station will be counted in a separate round. Votes from all such polling stations will be added to the candidate-wise tally. Final result will be prepared after adding these counts. So if the CRC is not done and a mock poll slips not taken out, then the control unit will be kept in the RO's custody till the completion of all rounds. Then the counting of respective VVPATs will be done. Candidate-wise votes from the mock poll certificate shall be deducted to arrive at the correct count of candidate-wise votes. In this educational video, we have learned what to do if the mock poll is not erased and the VVPAT paper slips are not taken out during the mock poll. If you have any doubt or want any clarification, then you can contact through the mail as shown on the screen. For other videos on rules and regulations, you can visit the web address as shown. Thank you.